loading up day 2. Hello, welcome to day 2 video. So this is day 2. Our first stop today is Borough Market, and of course started with, I don't know which building. Oh, is that the one for the Sky Gardens? Behind, it's behind here. It's not windy, so it should be, the outside should be open. Here time. So this is the famous Borough Market, and it's just basically things full of food. There's sea flowers, there's stalls with food, everything. Hmm? This sweet sauce. Hmm? Put food here. Yeah. A lot of milks and cheeses and jams and fresh olives. I sure got some fresh olive for a snack. Huh? There's an ATM. They all look the same. They all look the same. Just wipe your hand off. Girl, you're extra. Oh, it says hot food this way. The sign to hot food this way. I guess around the corner. Oh, there goes that juice stall. I always see it on everybody's video. Strawberries. And the fresh juices. What kind do they have? They have something with ginger? Mango exotic. Over here, carrot, lemon, apple, orange juice. I have the one of these. I'll take glass. One that's cold. So you getting? This one? Yeah. I was just trying to get out the way and turn around. What's this one again? Carrot, ginger, lemon. I taste lemon. And what do you have, Tara? Cranberry lemonade. How is it?
Sweet as hell. Or sour as hell. I don't really know. The smell's not bad. It's just sour.
All right. So this is it. Did you want no food?
No.
Too early, right?
Not that. I just don't want anything new. What's that over there?
That's probably chicken.
Pork. Like way too big.
Yeah, everything in here is huge. Like it's in the share portions. It's nothing. If you buy anything, it's always you have to share it.
It's too early for something this big.
You want to get chicken tacos?
Yeah.
It's no, day 2. Hello, welcome to day 2 video. So this is day 2. Our first stop today is Borough Market, and of course, started with some fresh juice, and now we're at a taco place waiting for tacos. And it's 5 o'clock somewhere, right? Margarita for the morning.
I thought you were about to take it and
No.
drink it.
I was showing them you and your margarita this morning. Where did he go? Yeah, there you go. So yeah. No, this is not day 2.
Feels like it.
Day 2 of exploring, but day 3 here. So yeah. So stay tuned and see. Actually, we're headed to Sky Garden after this, and after that, let's see what happens after that. So stay tuned. This is hers.
You drink
There's
a lot
lemon
of
in it too. I just took a little bit of the nice straw.
No, but your mouth has been on my straws 4 times now.
Twice. Oh,
3 times.
and this is mine. That's good.
If you just have a carrot, I would take that one. I wouldn't mind a fresh juice, but the carrot, I'm not using carrot.
Oh, when I make the juice, sometimes I put carrot in them.
Yeah, but I don't know that. Now I do, so now I'm not drinking it. Oh, what is wrong with this stupid thing? How do I turn it off again?
What's the code?
I know the code.
If somebody's not working for you, let me try.
Just turn it off. I keep pressing it. I've been, even before I put the watch on this morning, I was pressing. I should have put my watch on the charger for a little bit.
So this is the seafood, probably mahi mahi, and we have chicken and pork. And she about to scrape all that off. Day 3 food.
You want it?
Yeah, I can put it on my stuff. Look at her. You didn't remember when you ordered to tell him don't put this or that on it.
Well, I didn't really read what was on it. It doesn't say onion.
Yeah, us finished. We're finished. Excuse me. All of that was fine. I run outside. Okay, so we're finished. This one was good. We ate all of it today. Yeah. All right. Street food stop 1. The fresh juice was good. So yeah, if you ever come here, I would stop at that fresh fruit place up front. Ready? What else is to do in here? I guess take our time and trek to the other place. I should have put one of the straws on it. I mean, one of the napkins. Let me ask for another napkin. Excuse me. May I have another napkin, please? Thank you. It's two, sis. Unwrap one, unwrap brownie.
Oh no, that's okay. Actually, no. Can I get another one?
Artisan fruit plus.
It's crazy to catch up. Because I would have
Have a lovely one. Thank you very much. Yeah. Bye.
I would have to have cash if I was at home.
I'm back here right behind you. Oh, you gonna take a picture there? Oh, they have my goodness. This is the sweet section. You can just smell it in the air. Mhm. Oh, fudge. I haven't had fudge in a long time. That's where we're headed. Love that building. That's Sky Garden on top. That's where we're headed. Now, we came this way yesterday because we went to Tower of London. But today we're actually walking over the London Bridge. Oh, this is what the bus stop is named off of. William, I mean the monument. Still walking around London. Okay, let's zoom in on where. Oh. Okay, so this monument is to basically.
Are you doing like a travel guide thing?
No, but it can still give information. No. It made me forget what I was about to say. Okay, so this monument is to commemorate the Great Fire of London that happened in the 1600s. Basically, all of London burned down. There's something else up there. Oh, I don't see what's on the other side. Well, you have a Starbucks, you have a line. Oh no, the line is for something else.
Two things you can check are your eyes and your ears. I'm really worried about them.
Oh, yeah. It says access by stairs only. Yeah, I'm not doing that. This is inside Sky Garden. So from here, you're supposed to be able to see the Olympic Stadium. Where? That's a cool shot of the thing. Tower of London. Okay, we'll walk along. We'll move along. Smells like piss. Oh, it's right. Okay, I get it. I took better pictures of your from here. Yeah, like the things aren't set in the right positions. It's a restaurant.
Restaurant.
What? What happened to it?
The thing was full. I had to delete the stuff canceled. And it can only hold like 20 pictures.
Want a picture? Yeah, I'm not even. Next up, we have the Transport Museum. Here it gives you a brief
Oh,
history
maybe I
of
should start here.
The London Underground railroad system, how it was developed. It also gives you a history of transportation from horse and carriage to the development of their bus system and so on and so forth. This museum is not what I expected. It's more, in my opinion, a perfect place to bring your kids on a hot day, on a field trip,
What?
or something like that. If you hear in the background, there were a
Are you gonna
lot
read?
of
Oh,
kids. I could not record a lot. I did not record a lot because I didn't want to catch other people's children. I had to cut a lot of it out because I didn't want to have other people's children in here. So yeah, it's the Transport Museum. It was cool seeing the old wagons and stuff like that, but you have to contend with the kids. So look, child is the wheels.
they had big breakfast. I didn't even know they had a close figure. Yeah, pulled by. Yeah, I didn't even know that either. I thought they still were pulled by horses, but. Yeah, seats up top. That cannot be dangerous. I mean, have the thing you put on the.
That's when the rail came in.
What?
Rail, the train. Hold up. It was rail, but it was still pulled by horses. You see the tracks? Horse tram.
A lot of people in one city. That's good. So they've always had double deckers. This area is. This area is. Seriously? See it, look. Yeah, look at him, that looks like my eye. Yes, 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 I agree. Where there?
step. It's like the perfect
It sounds like they're having a conversation. Like stop. Like it made up they're having a conversation.
No one ever thought we'd take a cab down to Barclays as a course.
I think that's it. I have to go back to the elevator to get back down.
I think Susan's already over here.
Now let's see what's going on over here. There's a whole nother market there. No. I'm waiting for them to show me. See the ATM? Must be inside. Hey guys, welcome to Westminster Abbey. Yes, this is the same place where we saw Charles got crowned as the king, so King Charles now. We were not allowed to record video in here, but we were allowed to take as much pictures as we wanted. So this is a compilation of pictures from inside Westminster's Abbey. If you're into history, if you're into English history, it is a must-see. The line was long, but it went by really quick to get in. And like I said, if you are into history, it is a must-see. If you know anything about Westminster, if you do not, this is basically where a lot of royalty were or used to be buried. Back in the day, a lot of the graves are still there, but they do not bury any more bodies in there. But there's also a lot of plaques in memorabilia of a lot of English knights or people of significance in English history. Like they have a whole poet's corner or a writer's corner where they have like Jane Austen, Charles Dickens, and stuff, people like that. So it is, for me, a must-see. And I am happy that I did get to see it. So if you're ever in London doing the touristy thing, I would say go see Westminster Abbey. This ticket I got as a part of my London pass, which I mentioned in a previous video, which I'll also talk about in a separate video, again, like I said before. And it was worth it. I think without the ticket it would have been like £29. But that ticket helped me get in there, not for free, but as a part of the pass. But anyways, like I said, a lot of people from the 12th century, 13th century, 14th century was interred here, and you'll see the plaques will tell you when they died and when they were born. But yeah, I enjoyed it, and I hope you guys enjoy it from seeing in this video. And if you ever there, go see it. Thank you guys for watching, and do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is also where the coronations happens. Kate and William got married here. Queen Elizabeth was crowned here, and I don't know how they sit on those benches for so long, because those things are not wide enough for nobody's bums. I was shocked when I saw the size of the benches. It's literally, this is why they sit up so straight. It's because those benches are made for posture. That's it. That's it. I don't know how they do it.
Put speakers outside.
Okay guys, so that's it. We're done for today. After a full day of exploring, we got back on the bus, head back across town to where we were staying, and stopped off at Nando's to have dinner before we went in for the night.
Mine's on too, but it's like you'll show.
That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys, and thank you guys again. Peace out. Love y'all.